This is Adam Wanter, Midpoint Library's Digital and Special Collections Archivist. For today's video, we will be looking at ProQuest's African American Heritage and Online Database. So, what is it? African American Heritage is a library-provided genealogy database designed for African American and Black family history research. African American Heritage uses the Heritage Quest database as its foundation, but all the records have been specially curated. It provides access to census records, vital records, freedmen and slave records, church records, legal records, and more. The database is ideal for users who've already exhausted the basic searches of other intro genealogy databases like Heritage Quest, but want a narrower search scope than Ancestry.com. If you're just starting, you may want to check out Heritage Quest and our Heritage Quest video first. Now that we know what African American Heritage is, let me show you how to access it. First, start off by heading to midpointlibrary.org. Once on the home page, hover over e-resources and select Research Databases. From here, scroll down and find Genealogy and Local History and select it. Then find African American Heritage. This will take you to a web portal for African American Heritage where you'll be required to enter in your library card number. No matter if you're accessing the database from home or in the library, you're going to need your library card number. It is important that you use the link from the library's website as it is what provides you with an authenticated web portal and directs you to the proper place to enter your library card information. So once you're ready, enter your library card information here and then click Login. After you successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to the African American Heritage homepage, which looks like this. From here, you'll be able to do a quick search on the left, or to click on the various features, or use the menu bar to go other places. For starters, I'm going to just use the search on the left, and I'm going to do a search for famous poet Paul Laurence Dunbar. And since I know Paul Laurence Dunbar is from Ohio, I will narrow my search down to Ohio. And once all the information is in, you can simply click Search. This will direct you to the results page, which will show you how many results you had and in what collections they appear in. If you need more information about what a collection is, simply click on the little I on the right, and it'll bring up a pop-up box that will tell you about the collection. Since I only have 2 records of census, to access the item, I click on the left on census. It'll tell me I have 2 results in the 1880 census, so I will click on that. And that will show me the results themselves. And to access the actual record, I simply click on the left, and then it'll load. Just give it a second here. And then now it brings up the actual record. So below is a scan of the census record from 1880, and the top is all the information that you might need, such as what series the census record is from, the roll number and the page, and then information about their search result itself, which is about Paul Dunbar, age 7, living in Dayton, Ohio. And if you scroll down here, you'll be able to find Paul and his mother's information within the record itself. To start a new search, all you have to simply do is to hit search at the top, which will provide you with a box that allows you to search all collections, or gives you the option to search specific collections such as birth and marriage death records, federal census, freedmen, spank, military or slave, and freed persons of color. So if you click here, it'll ask you to make a selection, registers, and now it'll provide you with a search that will just search that collection. So that is all I have for you today. If you have any questions about African American heritage or genealogy research in general, please reach out to us here at Midpoint Library. We're here to help. Thank you to us here at Midpoint Library. We're here to help. Thank you for watching and good luck searching.